Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on MXC. First, you'll need to set up your MXC account. Visit the official MXC website or download their app, then register using your email or phone number. After creating your account, complete the identity verification process, often called KYC, to unlock full trading features and higher withdrawal limits. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Once your account is ready, it's time to fund it. You have several options. You can deposit fiat currency directly using a bank transfer or a credit/debit card. Alternatively, if you already own crypto, you can transfer it from another wallet to your MXC account. MXC also offers peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading, which allows you to buy crypto directly from other users with various payment methods. With funds in your account, you're ready to make your first purchase. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the MXC platform. Here, you can choose the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and specify your preferred payment method. Review all the order details carefully, including the amount and price, before confirming your transaction. It's a straightforward process. After buying, you can manage your crypto within MXC, exploring various trading features like spot or futures markets. For long-term security, consider withdrawing your assets to a secure external hardware wallet. Remember to always practice good security habits, like strong passwords and regular security checks. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.